All right, that is the Aam Aadmi Party's press briefing that is taking place to counter the allegations on part of the BJP, one by one, all of the issues that has been raised on part of Sanjay Singh. He seems to be claiming that there seems to be a deliberate shutting down of their social media handles is concerned. They are unable to put out certain posts. And this is now coming in from Gujarat, and also saying as far as Aam Aadmi Party MPs, Raghav Chadha, when it comes to this shift is concerned, he says that that also would be challenged. And also talking about as far as Arvind Kejriwal's residence is now concerned, saying that the pictures were actually fake that has been shared on part of the BJP. Now the suspense which is over as far as Raghav Chadha is now, coming to the BJP is concerned, but he didn't come alone. He brought in other MPs of the Rajya Sabha as well. And as far as 2/3 are now concerned, they have now merged with the BJP. Now, in the meantime, let's get you another round of breaking update, because out of those 7 MPs, what we are getting to know upon Raghav Chadha, there has been another name, and that is of Swati Maliwal. Now, Swati Maliwal, who has already been in the crosshairs of the Aam Aadmi Party and its leader, Arvind Kejriwal, her first reaction has now come post this political shake-up. Let's listen into what she has to say while hitting out at Arvind Kejriwal.
मैंने आम आदमी पार्टी छोड़ दी है और भाजपा ज्वाइन कर ली है। 2006 से मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ काम कर रही थी। अपना घर छोड़ा, नौकरी छोड़ी, 7 साल झुग्गियों में रही और हर आंदोलन में मैंने उनका साथ दिया। लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने अपने ही घर में मुझे एक गुंडे से बुरी तरीके से पिटवाया। जब मैंने इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाई, एफआईआर दर्ज करने की कोशिश की, तो मुझको डराया गया और धमकाया गया। यहां तक कि पिछले 2 साल में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने हर संभव दबाव बनवाया मेरे पे कि मैं ये एफआईआर वापस ले लूं। इसके चलते 2 साल में मुझे एक बार भी पार्टी के टाइम से बोलने का संसद में मौका नहीं दिया।
Well, Dave, one by one, all of the MPs who have now deserted the Aam Aadmi Party are coming out with their reasons exactly why they are calling the Aam Aadmi Party now to be corrupt.
Well, yes, absolutely. This speaks of a current and ongoing wave of disgruntlement within the Aam Aadmi Party, which is why 7 people, including Raghav Chadha, left the Aam Aadmi Party to join the BJP. They clearly said that they were not being heard, their voices were being stifled. One such person who went on clearly on record to say and give Times Now the reaction is Swati Maliwal, who is the former chairperson of the Delhi Commission for Women. She said that despite the 2024 incident of assault on her in presence of Arvind Kejriwal inside his residence, and nothing was done about that, further led to her sense of seething anger and disgruntlement. So along with Raghav Chadha, Harbhajan Singh and 4 others, they went on to join the BJP. In fact, Sanjay Singh also right now said in his recently concluded press conference that they are going to be seeking the cancellation of membership of these 7 persons. In Rajya Sabha today by evening, they're expected to even submit an official complaint seeking their disqualification as members and being removed. Further going on to state the fact that this is considered highly unconstitutional and illegal. Sanjay Singh cited the case reference of Shiv Sena party, where a clear camp was divided between Eknath Shinde and Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray.
So will that example be taken up on part of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is now seeking disqualification as far as the AAP MPs are concerned for their merger with the BJP, calling it to be unlawful and saying if needed, then they will take up the fight to the courts as well. But let's talk about the Congress party here in the case, which also now seems to be issuing a word of caution to the party that it previously supported, saying that beware, there could be other leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party who could be in touch with the BJP.
Operation Kamala, as we call it in Karnataka, is always running 24/7 with BJP. They can never get a majority without those kind of tactics. These dirty tricks has been mastered by BJP in Karnataka and is being implemented throughout the country by Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. Modi.
आम आदमी पार्टी सुचेत रहे, ऐसा ना हो कि आपके 50 विधायक एक दिन में ही बदल जाएं। ये तो सांसद गए हैं।
Now, the BJP says that this exodus is a sign that the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal must introspect as to why he's failing to keep his flock together, especially when it comes to those people who played a crucial role when it comes to the formation of the party.
आम आदमी पार्टी जिस प्रकार के स्वप्न दिखाकर सत्ता में आई थी, उस पार्टी ने जनता का विश्वासघात किया और कई लोग लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी से मोहभंग होकर टूटते रहे। जिन्होंने मूल रूप से एंटी करप्शन आंदोलन को खड़ा किया, ऐसे करीब करीब सब लोगों ने इस पार्टी से मुंह मोड़ लिया। और मुझे लगता है कि अब तो जो लोग पार्टी में है उनको भी ये ध्यान में आया कि किस प्रकार का ओढ़कर केवल सत्ता की राजनीति की गई। इसलिए फिर एक बार देश की मुख्य धारा में प्रधानमंत्री जी पर और भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर विश्वास रखकर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये निर्णय हो रहे हैं और ऐसे सभी निर्णयों का हम स्वागत करते हैं।
All right, that's the first reaction from Devendra Fadnavis. In the meantime, let's talk about what the Aam Aadmi Party could do next through sources, what we are learning. And that is something that has been highlighted on part of Sanjay Singh as well, saying that they will be filing a petition with the Rajya Sabha Secretariat as well against the rebel MPs. और जानकारी फिलहाल यही मिल रही है पुलकित, संजय सिंह ने भी अपनी प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में यही बोला कि कैंसलेशन ऑफ देयर मेंबरशिप, मतलब सदस्यता को रद्द करने के लिए अब वो अप्रोच करेंगे।
देखिए, संजय सिंह ने साफ कहा है कि पार्टी ने जो सलाह ली है संवैधानिक तौर पर या फिर कानून के जानकारों से, उसके मुताबिक 10वीं अधिसूची में साफ है और शिवसेना के मामले में भी ये साफ हुआ था कि कोई भी सांसद या विधायक इस तरीके से टूटकर सीधे तौर पर दूसरी पार्टी में नहीं जा सकते, उन्हें एक अलग दल बनाना होता है। जबकि राघव चड्ढा ने कल जिस तरीके की घोषणा की थी, उन्होंने सीधा कहा कि वो और उनके साथ में 6 और सांसद यानी कि कुल मिलाकर 7 सांसद सीधे तौर पर बीजेपी को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। तो उसी को लेकर अब आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से कहा गया है कि इस तरीके से ये गैर संवैधानिक है और इसके खिलाफ वो अब राज्यसभा में जाकर इसकी शिकायत करेंगे सचिव को और ये पत्र लिखेंगे कि इनकी सदस्यता रद्द की जाए। और अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है तो कानून का रुख भी किया जाएगा, इनके खिलाफ कोर्ट में भी जाया जाएगा। जी
चलिए, धन्यवाद आपका पुलकित हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। सो दिस वेरी डिसीजन ऑफ राघव चड्ढा एंड अदर MPs from the Aam Aadmi Party which has jumped ship to the BJP will be challenged, and this is something that the Aam Aadmi Party is now making it clear. In the meantime, we head into a short break.